subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new entry-level phone under Y series in Indonesia called Vivo Y03. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y03 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone is equipped by a dual camera set up at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture alongside the QVGA sensor. Under the hood, the Vivo Y03 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.78 by 75.73 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y03 has been priced in Indonesia for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 1,299,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,499,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in space black and gem green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y03 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.